Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding the median of 3 numbers seems easy, but this Java code has a hidden bug. Let's trace the logic to find where it fails.
In the first call with 3, 2, and 1, the code compares the first 2 values. Since 3 is larger than 2, the variable largest so far is set to 3. Next, the code checks if the third value, which is 1, is greater than 3. Since it is not, the program executes the else branch and returns the third value. The method returns 1, but the median of 3, 2, and 1 is 2. This proves the logic is broken for option A. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.